Hi everybody, I just wanted to share a quick review of this little beauty. This is the UM-900 professional USB condenser microphone set for podcasting or voice. I guess you could probably even sing to it from Uhuru. And Uhuru were kind enough to send me one of these to check out and test. There's kind of the box it came with, and I've been very impressed. I think it's around £50, around $50, that sort of price on Amazon.co.uk and Amazon.com in America. I'll put links in the show description down below, and yeah, it's been very good. So if, for example, you want to record or are recording podcasts or voiceovers or narrations, or you're adding basically talking to videos or recording audio files, then you might find this is very, very useful. What you get basically is you get this really good articulating stand, and that you can see here I've clipped it to the edge. I haven't got a proper desk, so I've clipped it to the edge of just chest of drawers, and you can use this to kind of move the mic kind of all over the place depending on where you sit, and there's lots of points of articulation that you can change the angle of the mic, and the stand kind of ends in a spring-loaded cradle for the mic. This is all elastic here. You get a pop filter, which is to get rid of plosives, which is, you know, when you go p and th and t, or you breathe on the mic, that sort of stuff, because with this sort of mic you want to be pretty close to use it. You get a foam filter as well, which I haven't got here, and then you also get the USB mic, and it's a plug-and-play USB mic, so it goes straight in to the side of your PC or your laptop, and then you know, go into your settings, turn the volume up on it all the way, make it the audio device, and then you can record to things like Audacity or with OBS and play around it that way. I have found that out of the box, and this is the same with lots of these sorts of USB mics, where there's no controls on the mic. You can't increase the gain from the mic. All the controls are done on your computer. They're a little bit quiet, and I guess they do this so that you can't overwhelm the mic. You know, you can't end up with a clipped file. And so what you do is, if you're recording with something like OBS, you go into the settings and you change the mic. There's a multiplication factor, I think, or something like that it's called. You can change it up to 2 or 3, or when you're recording into something like Audacity, when you're finished, then you'll normalize the file to increase the volume, or you could put it through something like the Levelator 2. What I'll do as well, in the description below the YouTube video, I will put a link to another video I did on my gaming channel that includes lots of examples of quality from the UM-900. So it includes files that you can listen to. Basically a straight file recorded straight from the UM-900 to Audacity and exported as 128 kilobytes MP3. There's an example file where I've employed the normalization filter, and then there's also an example file where I've added, I've exported as a WAV, put it through the Levelator 2, taken it back to Audacity, and then exported it as an MP3. That's probably the kind of file you would use, because it really does make it big. But there we go. So the UM-900, if you're in the market for a podcasting mic or any sort of mic, then give it a go. That's enough from me. Put your questions and comments down below, and I'll see you again soon.